You will hear me say this over and over again, that there are three kinds of verbs. The first two are what I like to call main verbs, and they include action and linking verbs. In every clause, you must have one of these, either an action or a linking. In addition to action and linking verbs, there are also what we call helping verbs. They can never be alone. Never, ever, ever. So while action and linking verbs have to be without each other in a clause, helping verbs will never be alone in a clause. They will always be with either an action or a linking verb. More about that later. Also, there may be more than one helping verb in a clause, and again, we'll talk about those when we get to the helping verbs. This is a slide just to show you, remind you how the verbs all interact with each other. So this video is about the action verbs. There will be a separate video that talks about linking verbs. Remember, these two are main verbs. And then you've got the helper verbs, and the reason that these lines are dotted is to indicate and remind us that this kind of verb will never be alone. You can have a helping verb and then a linking verb. You can have a helping verb and then an action verb. You will never, ever, ever have a helping verb by itself, and you'll never have a linking verb and an action verb together. So, action verbs. Action verbs are verbs that tell what the subject is doing in the sentence, what action someone or something is performing. Action verbs show different types of action. So there's invisible action. Think, muse, hope, wish, dream, concentrate would be examples. Or there is visible action. Sing, dance, run, swim, sleep, eat. Verbs can take different endings depending on when the action takes place. Is it in the past, present, or future? He dances well. He danced at the concert. Dances and danced are both working as action verbs.